Motorhead Garage, brought to you by Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable workbenches and tool cabinets.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Here's another one from our archives. No doubt, if you've watched Motorhead Garage before, you have seen the Magic Creeper, but maybe you don't have one, maybe you're not convinced. Let's do the creeper comparison. We'll take a traditional creeper like this one here. It's on wheels, it's got casters underneath, and here on our Resin Works floor, it works great. That's perfect. Perfect conditions, right? And the Magic Creeper, guess what? Nice and smooth too, so it's kind of a tie ball game when you have a perfect floor like this. But what if you don't have perfect conditions? Well, if you have a crack on the floor, the Magic Creeper is going to sail right over it. Traditional Creeper is going to get hung up on that, or maybe a small screw. Maybe you have tools on the floor. Magic Creeper sails right over those. The regular Creeper does not have a chance. When you go outside, once again, the traditional Creeper doesn't have a chance. Can a traditional Creeper go over gravel? Nope. Can it go over grass? Nope. Can it go through mud? Nope. But the Magic Creeper can do all of that. It can go through the gravel, grass, mud, tree roots, anything you're dealing with outside. It'll keep you clean, and you can make all the repairs you need and get on your way. Let's talk about portability. While the Magic Creeper rolls up and stores anywhere, a traditional Creeper, are you kidding me? For an emergency, you do not want to take a regular Creeper along with you every time you drive your vehicle. But the Magic Creeper can go all terrain. It can get over everything, just like we said earlier. A regular Creeper is only going to work in a brand new parking lot, so your odds of breaking down in a shiny, smooth parking lot are pretty slim. Let's talk about clearance under a vehicle. With a traditional Creeper, with those casters underneath, there's no way, unless you've got a really jacked up vehicle, you're going to get under it without putting it up on a lift. The Magic Creeper has no wheels, so plenty of room for you under the vehicle. And finally, let's talk about some other uses for the Magic Creeper. You can use it as a fender cover. You want to try to use a traditional Creeper as a fender cover? You're going to need some body work after that. You can use the Magic Creeper as a kneeling pad. You might try that with a traditional Creeper. It's not going to be all that comfortable. How about an emergency blanket? Haha, got you there. Only the Magic Creeper can be used for all of the above, and there is only one authentic Magic Creeper. You can find it at magiccreeper.com, except no substitutes. If you haven't seen it, you're going to love our sister show. It's called Tech Garage. It's on Saturday mornings on Motor Trend. I co-host it with John Gardner. Now, he's a master technician. He is also a college professor, and that's where he gets to use the Magic Creeper, and he says his guys love it.
Well, Dave is an instructor at Chipola College. We don't have the luxury of a bunch of lifts. We have one here, but we have 25 students. And think about that for a minute. We have a class called Introduction, and a lot of that's just vehicle inspections. And with the ride height on vehicles today, creepers just don't work. So we get a bunch of Magic Creepers. We can put lessons together with different lesson plans and have 5, 10, 15 students relatively inexpensively just bam, get under the car, do the visual inspections, identify parts, come out, roll it up. The next student has it. We've had them for years. They work great because we have asphalt. Sometimes we have to put them in the grass. I mean, we're backed up. We don't have a problem rolling it. But Creeper, number one, can't get under the car. And number two, on the surfaces, especially with the asphalt, it doesn't work very well. We're down here in Florida. It's so hot. Half the time the wheels are sinking down in the asphalt. That's how hot it is. But no, this is no problem. It gets under the cars, whether it's grass, whether it's cobblestone. We have rocks on our driveway, and we have some concrete surfaces. It doesn't make a difference.
How easy is the Creeper to clean once you go through all this with the students?
The Magic Creeper's super easy to clean. We got 25 students, you know, it's like having 25 kids. They're not going to clean it. We've had some traditional Creepers, and we use them in the weather. The wheels all rust. Some of them are wood. They rot and break. This one, we just wipe it off, roll it up, put it away. Sometimes they don't roll it up. They just hang it up. The next guy gets it out. They just dust it off. I mean, we got tools falling. These kids, they can't even puncture it. I mean, super durable.
Just unpacking our roadside kit here with our Magic Creeper. Of course, you get the classic Magic Creeper, the original Magic Creeper in the kit. Along with it, you get some tools to keep you safe on the side of the road and to help you make some fixes if you need to. We've got the reflector here. This is just some of the stuff in the kit. Flashlights, of course, so you can see at night. The emergency rain poncho. We've already told you the Magic Creeper keeps you clean and dry, keeps you up out of the mud. Well, if it's raining, then the emergency poncho will come in handy. Then you can stay dry while you make those fixes. And of course, the thing you'll probably use most, bungee cords and zip ties to make some emergency roadside kits. Even got the dynamo flashlight. And we have a pair of gloves that's going to keep your hands dry and clean. And we've always told you you can clean the Magic Creeper with no problem with your favorite solution. But you know, when you finish on the side of the road, it's going to be covered in mud. It might be covered in dirt. Who knows what? Well, guess what? Now we have the new Magic Cleaner wipes. You can take these with you, maybe put a couple in the glove compartment. That's all you need. You can use this to clean your Magic Creeper. You can use it on the run, any place you go, wipe down your tools, and it even cuts through grease. So if you have some stuck parts or anything you need to unscrew or unbolt, the Magic Cleaner wipes are the perfect thing. They are brand new, and you can find them at magiccreeper.com. That's the same place you can find the one, the only Magic Creeper. There are others out there, but they are imitations. Steer away from them. There is only one place to get the Magic Creeper. Buy one for yourself. They also make great gifts. Once again, magiccreeper.com. Do not go anywhere because we've got a whole lot more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com still to come.